This trending black cutout video is going viral on Instagram Reels. So today, we will be seeing how to achieve this cinematic black cutout using your phone. Let's go. But wait, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. If you want to achieve this rounded edges cutout, please check out the link in the description box. Now let's begin. Open the VN application, create a new project, and import your videos. First thing you need to do is change the project aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, click on this media icon and select Stocks. Click on Stocks again and select this black image. Now, scroll the toolbar and search for Crop tool. Here also select 9:16. This will crop the black photo in the Reels ratio. Now, expand this video for your entire timeline. If you are still seeing some part of your background video, simply stretch this black photo a little more. Now, select the black photo and click on Mask tool. Here, select Mirror. Use this arrow to adjust height. And this arrow to adjust the feather. Now, once you are satisfied, click on Mirror Mask again. You will now have a square cutout of your videos. If your video does not fit well in the frame, simply select the video and drag it according to you. You will have something like this. Now export the video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.